Welcome to 1290 Hulon Circle. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, duplex condo is located in West Columbia in the Lexington Commons neighborhood. Just a short walk to Lexington Medical Center. Easy commute to I-26 downtown and other areas as well. So we're out in front of the unit. It does sit on the corner. You have some nice mature landscaping out front. There are 2 designated parking spots. You can see car parked there for an example. Then you have a walkway up to the covered front porch here. So as we enter, there's luxury vinyl plank flooring, wood look flooring in the entry, and also I believe in the kitchen and dining area as well. Stairs go up to the 2nd level here off the entry, but first you have the living room on the left. You have 2 windows looking out to the front of the property. Nice open sized room. You also have a coat closet here off the living room. That's just a utility closet with some HVAC and water heater components in it. Also a full bathroom with tile flooring, single vanity, and a stand-up shower. Off the hall here, there's a bedroom there, but we'll take a look at the kitchen first. You have the same updated flooring here in the kitchen. White cabinets, black appliances at the moment. There's an electric stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Window beneath the sink, they're looking out to the left side of the property. You have a laundry closet here, or more of an alcove. Full-size washer and dryer connections, some shelving above. Eat-in dining area in the kitchen, also window there for natural light, as well as a sliding door out to the patio area. So you have a small fenced-in patio back here. There's also a storage room that is lockable for you to store some items there. So back inside, we'll take a look at that bedroom and then go upstairs. So you have 1 bedroom on the downstairs level here. It does have a ceiling fan, no light kit in that one, so you will need to have lamps or other lights to plug in. Closet here on the left, and the window overlooks the patio area. So we'll go over to the 2nd level now, where you have an additional 2 bedrooms and another full bath. So off the landing here, you have some open shelving storage. You have 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets upstairs. Here's one, has a dormer window towards the front there and a window towards the side of the property. Walk-in closet here. You have shelving hanging on the left, and then some additional shelving there on the right, sitting on the left side in the corner. Third bedroom, again with a ceiling fan in here, window out to the side, and then a walk-in closet that is open, no door on this one, but good space in there. So last but not least, you have your 2nd full bathroom. Again, those floors, to the tile shower and tub, and then a single vanity and a medicine cabinet on that right wall. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 1290 Hulon Circle in Lexington Commons in West Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.